Hi everyone! Today we're going to write in scientific notation with negative powers of 10. Very small decimals that are less than 1 are written in scientific notation with negative exponents. So to do this, you move the decimal point to the right and you move it until there's one digit before it. The number of places that you move it becomes the exponent and you make it negative. So for this number, 0.000478, it's a really small decimal number, and we're going to write it in scientific notation. So start by starting at the decimal point and move it until you are one place after the first digit, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm after the first digit, and that's where the new decimal point is. So this new decimal point, I would take all the numbers that are left, and that becomes my new decimal. So 4.785. The number of places I moved the decimal to the right becomes the exponent. So I moved it 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. Because this is a really small number, the exponent is negative. So our final answer in scientific notation is 4.785 times 10 to the negative 4. Let's try another one. 0.000078. So I start on the decimal point and I move it until it is after the first digit. And my first digit, that's not 0 is not a digit, is 7. So we move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So my new number is 7.8, and we multiply that by 10 to the negative 5. So we moved it to the right, so it's negative. And it's a really small number. So if it's a really small number, the exponent is negative.